Ready to move from Android to iPhone? Here's how to transfer your photos, contacts, messages, and more. Before you start, make sure your Android device has Wi-Fi turned on and that both your devices are plugged in and charging. You should also make sure that you have enough storage on your iPhone to transfer the content, including what's on your external microSD card. It's best to complete the transfer process before you set up your iPhone. If you've already set it up, you'll need to erase it and start over. If you choose not to erase it, you can move your content over manually. To move your content over automatically using the Move to iOS app, first follow the on-screen instructions on your iPhone to start setting it up. And when you reach the Transfer Your Apps and Data screen, tap From Android. If you haven't already, you'll need to install the Move to iOS app on your Android device, which you can download from the Google Play Store. You can tap the QR code in the upper right corner of the Move from Android screen and then scan the code with your Android device to find it. On your iPhone, tap Continue. A 6-digit or 10-digit code will appear. On your Android device, open Move to iOS. You'll be asked to review and accept the terms and conditions of Apple's privacy policy in order to continue. If you agree, tap Agree to confirm and tap Continue. You'll also be asked to review and accept the software terms and conditions in order to continue. If you agree, tap Agree to confirm and then follow the prompts. When asked to enter the one-time code on your Android device, enter the 6 or 10-digit code that you received on your iPhone earlier. Next, you'll select the content that you want to transfer. You might be asked for permission to access your apps and data. If you agree to allow access to the specified content, tap Allow. You can move your Google account, messages, contacts, and other things, like accessibility and display settings. Tap Continue when you're ready to begin the transfer. Even if your Android device says the process is complete, leave both of your devices plugged in and wait until the loading bar on your iPhone finishes before you use them. Depending on how much content you're moving, this process might take a little while. Once the process is complete on your iPhone, tap Done on your Android device. And on your iPhone, tap Continue and follow the on-screen steps to finish setting it up. And that's how to transfer your photos, messages, and more from Android to iPhone. To learn more about your Apple devices, subscribe to the Apple Support YouTube channel or click another video to keep watching. Some sequences in this video were shortened.